Okay, today you're going to work on two things. You are going to work on digital notebook number 3 and biography project. So let's go to digital notebook number 3. Open digital notebook number 3. In digital notebook number 3, you should have number 3 complete, number 5 complete, number 7 complete, and number 9 complete. Today you have to do number 10. So in number 10, you're going to read the 6-word memoirs and respond in your notebook. So vas a leer las oraciones de 6 palabras y vas a responder. A memoir is a story, a memory of your life. El memoir es una memoria de tu vida, un cuento de tu vida. Okay? So you can do the following choices. What is your 6-word memoir? Puedes explicar tu vida en 6 palabras. Okay, so here are some examples. Hay algunos ejemplos. What connections can you make to the authors of these memoirs? So can you make any connections? Algunas conexiones? What does the word memoir mean? ¿Qué significa la palabra memoir? Or you can just respond. O simplemente puedes responder. You're going to respond in number 11. Okay? The next thing that you're going to do is your biography project. You're going to click right here and you're going to open the biography project. And you have to make a copy. Necesitas hacer una copia primero. So you're going to go to File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. File, Hacer una copia, toda la presentación. Okay, right here it's going to say copy, va a decir copia. You have to change it, lo tienes que cambiar to your name, a tu nombre. So, Bernardo Biography Cyber Sandwich. Okay, and then you're going to click OK. Vas a picar OK. When you have your copy, cuando tienes tu copia, you're going to look, vas a mirar number 4 and number 5, número 4 y número 5. You're going to pick, vas a elegir una persona, one person for number 4, or one person for number 5, una persona en número 5, just one person, okay? You're going to go to the library database. You're going to go to Launchpad and look for the folder, la carpeta, library resources. And you're going to find biography. Okay, busca biography. Then you're going to put the person's name. And you're going to search. Vas a buscar. Okay, you're going to read more. And you can change the language. Puedes cambiar el idioma. Okay, but you have to write it in English. Lo tienes que escribir en inglés. So si quieres leerlo en español y luego en inglés, if you want to read it in Spanish and then in English, that's fine. Okay, so in your biography presentation, en la presentación de biografía, you have to complete number 6, número 6, and number 8, número 8. 6 is from 4 or 5, so una persona de 4 y 5. 8 es una persona que vas a elegir, cualquier persona que quieres estudiar. Okay, that's what you're going to do for number 8. So that was the work for today, el trabajo del día. If you have questions, please come to the Zoom tutoring.